My son, how are you now? Why are you wasting time?
Papa, die. Die. Papa, you really want me to die?
You want to die and I will help you die. Idiot. Come and shut up there. Lavia! Come.
Who does it?
Mama.
What is it you are doing?
What type of stupid question is that? Why are you asking what is it you are doing? What does he seem to be doing?
You are here watching him.
I'm here watching me. Someone wants to call though.
Mama.
Don't remove that thing. You
Are you sure this is my father? Papa wants me to die. He was watching me.
You want to die? I can be a witness, that's all. Hold on. Stop
We
wasting
test
time.
for your son to die.
Since you want me to die, but I'm not going to die.
Hey.
You will die before me. In fact, I'm going to kill you myself.
You kill me?
Let us bet. I'm